What if I told you that right now people are making thousands of dollars every month just by creating YouTube thumbnails using artificial intelligence? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it is true. AI thumbnail business is becoming one of the fastest growing online businesses because YouTubers, brands, influencers, and content creators constantly need eye-catching thumbnails to get more clicks, views, and subscribers. But here comes the biggest question. How can someone actually start an AI thumbnail business? Let's understand the complete roadmap. First of all, you need to understand why thumbnails are so important. On YouTube and social media, people decide within seconds whether they will click on a video or ignore it. That means thumbnails directly affect views, growth, and income. And this is creating massive opportunities for thumbnail creators. The first step in starting an AI thumbnail business is learning modern AI design tools. Today, many creators use AI image generators, photo editing software, and graphic design platforms to create professional thumbnails within minutes. AI can help generate backgrounds, remove objects, improve quality, create cinematic effects, and design viral visuals much faster than traditional editing. The good news is that many AI design tools are beginner-friendly, which means you do not need advanced graphic design skills to start. Now, the second major step is understanding YouTube psychology. Because successful thumbnails are not just beautiful. They are designed to attract attention. Most viral thumbnails use strong emotions, bold text, bright contrast, facial expressions, money elements, futuristic visuals, and curiosity-based designs. For example, business videos may use luxury cars, money charts, and shocked expressions, while technology videos may use futuristic AI robots, glowing screens, and dramatic lighting. Once you understand thumbnail psychology, you can start offering services to YouTubers, brands, gaming creators, podcasters, and online businesses. Now, honestly, one of the biggest reasons this business is growing rapidly is because content creators upload videos every single day. And every video needs a thumbnail. That means creators constantly need thumbnail designers. Many successful AI thumbnail creators start by building Instagram pages, Twitter accounts, or portfolio websites to showcase their work. Once creators see high-quality thumbnails, they often hire designers for long-term projects, and this is where the business becomes powerful. Many thumbnail creators work on monthly contracts, meaning YouTubers pay regularly for multiple thumbnails every month. That creates recurring income instead of one-time payments. Now let's talk about earning potential, because this is one of the biggest reasons people are entering this industry. Some AI thumbnail creators already make thousands of dollars every month through freelance work. YouTube creators, digital agencies, and online content businesses. And honestly, this industry is still growing extremely fast because YouTube social media and online video content continue exploding every year. Another important thing many people do not realize is that thumbnails directly impact video performance. Better thumbnails often mean more clicks, more watch time, more subscribers, and more money for creators. That is why successful YouTubers are willing to pay for high-quality thumbnails. But here is something important. Using AI tools alone is not enough. The people who succeed usually understand design psychology, audience attention trends, branding, and storytelling, because on the internet, attention is everything. Now, another important question, can someone start an AI thumbnail business without living in America? Yes, absolutely. Many thumbnail creators work remotely with American YouTubers, businesses, and influencers from different countries. Around the world, creators hire online thumbnail designers every day. But one thing is common in almost every successful thumbnail creator: consistency. Because trends, algorithms, and design styles constantly change, and successful creators continuously improve, learn, and adapt. And honestly, this may be one of the biggest online opportunities of the modern AI era, because artificial intelligence is already changing how thumbnails are designed, created, and optimized across YouTube. And the people who master AI thumbnail creation early may build massive online businesses in the future.